How to read a seller on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to read a seller on Facebook Marketplace. To do this, you want to first of all make sure to open up your Facebook application and log in. Next, you simply want to go ahead and click on the Marketplace icon from the top of the page. And then you want to go ahead and click on Category. After you go to the Category section, then you have these inbox options right over here. So here, click on the profile icon from the top of the page, and then you could go ahead and click on inbox. When you go to the inbox sections, come to the message where you have the title, and at the top of the message you have these options: view similar item or more options. You could go with more options, and then you have, or you'll be able to find these options as read a seller at the bottom. So you could just go ahead and click on it and then read a seller on Facebook Marketplace. So that's how you could read a seller. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.